4 plus 3 times 2 to the power of 2. 4 plus 3 will give us 7. Then we have 7 times 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then we have 7 times 4. 7 times 12 is equals to 28. 28 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right, in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with our exponents, which is 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 will give us 4. Then we have 4 plus 3 times 4. Now, we have an addition and a multiplication. We are going to work with our multiplication first because it comes first before addition. 3 times 4 will give us 12. Then we have 4 plus 12. 4 plus 12 is equals to 16. 16 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.